South Africa's ongoing debate over land reform and property rights has taken another legal turn, with the civil rights organization AfriForum filing a contempt of court application against the economic freedom fighters and its leader, Julius Malema. The case has been brought before the High Court in Pretoria and centers on a court interdict issued in 2017. That order prohibits the EFF and Malema from encouraging or inciting people to occupy land without the permission of the owner or lawful occupant. AfriForum now argues that recent comments by Malema may have violated that order. The organization points specifically to remarks he made during an EFF public lecture at the University of Limpopo in Polokwane on July 23. According to AfriForum, Malema encouraged young people attending the event to enter and occupy farmland in Stellenbosch in the future. The organization says those comments amount to a direct breach of the existing court order. AfriForum is asking the High Court to impose a fine of 500,000 rand on the EFF and sentence Malema to 18 months in prison. It has also asked the court to consider any other penalty it believes is appropriate. AfriForum CEO Carly Creel says the EFF and Malema are fully aware of the 2017 interdict. He also points out that their previous efforts to have the order overturned was unsuccessful. The organization says its application is not simply about political disagreement, but about enforcing the authority of court orders. Its argument is that judicial decisions must be respected regardless of a person's political position or influence. The case also reflects a much larger political dispute in South Africa. Land redistribution and access to land remain central issues for the EFF, which has long supported more radical land reform policies, including land expropriation without compensation. AfriForum, meanwhile, strongly advocates for private property rights and opposes unlawful land occupations. The High Court will ultimately have to determine whether Malema's statements breached the 2017 interdict and, if so, what legal consequences should follow. As this case develops, it could become another significant test of the balance between political speech, land reform advocacy, and compliance with court orders in South Africa. For more clear and balanced analysis of major South African political developments, subscribe to the channel and stay informed.